Alright, in this video you are going to learn how to install the demo. Now if you look at the theme, how it looks like, the one we are using, you see how this theme look like. So we want something like this. So how do we install this demo? Now let's go back here. We are going to setting, we are going to choose the import, click on import. Then here you click on where is it? Here, import WordPress, import post, pages, comment, custom feed, category tag, and the rest. So click on install, run. Upload file and import. Oh, sorry about that. I should have done that. I should click on, okay, go back, run importer, then here choose file. I need to choose the file first, so demo data, then click on this one, good. Sorry, this has been an error. Okay, all right. There are some plugins, I think they're not there, that came with the theme. So I think when I was doing the installation, this stuff omitted those ones, so we're going to install them. Let's go back to plugins, add plugin, upload, choose file. So I'm going to go back here, plugins, here, activate. Now I have that one, so I can do two others. Upload, choose, this one, this one fails. Failed. Slider. Okay, good. Now I've imported those plugins. So the major one is this, which is called import demo data. So click on appearance, get it there once you import it. So now I can pick that one, which is organic, and click on import. This is gonna import all the files, the images, the content, the logo, everything that came with that. With these, I'll get it on my website, on this website that we're building together. So let's see. Now I'm gonna pause it and come back because of time. Now we're good. Now this is the last. You can see completely imported. So what I'm gonna do now is I want to check it out. I'll see how it looks like. So I'm going to our website and refresh it. You see it's already changing, so let's refresh and see if it's same. Can you see we have everything here now? See, this is the site, this is the demo, the theme that we downloaded. Is there any different? There any difference? No. Now all we need to do now is pick our own products, start putting it in. So we'll put our own product in, and we're good to go. And that's all about it. That's all. So I'll see you in the next video. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Well, I'll be showing you how to edit it.